If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance, and user-friendly SSD enclosure that seamlessly blends speed, stability, and portability, the BENFEI M.2 NVMe/SATA SSD enclosure might just be the perfect companion for your storage needs. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, IT professional, or an everyday user needing fast and reliable external storage, this enclosure delivers a robust set of features in a sleek, efficient design. Right out of the box, the BENFEI enclosure impresses with its premium aluminum alloy shell, providing both aesthetic appeal and practical durability. The build quality feels solid and professional, making it a dependable choice for those who often carry their storage devices on the go. One standout feature immediately noticeable is the integrated cable design. Both Type-C and Type-A connectors are cleverly hidden within the enclosure itself. This means you won't have to worry about carrying extra cables in your bag or desk drawer. Whether you're plugging into a modern USB-C port or a legacy USB-A slot, BENFEI has you covered. This BENFEI SATA SSD enclosure is a well-crafted, high-performance storage accessory that checks all the right boxes: speed, stability, portability, and compatibility. Its clever design and advanced features make it more than just an enclosure. It's a smart investment for anyone working with M.2 SSDs. With support for both NVMe and SATA formats, 10 GB P, USB 3.2 speeds, and a plug-and-play experience across platforms, this enclosure offers excellent value and performance